Dongguan Kaweei Electronic Company Limited is a professional wire harness and connectors manufacturer in China, located in the famous manufacturing city Dongguan. Since our inception in 2013, we have been providing value-added services and products that on quality, on-time delivery, and competitive prices. Our own sales team quickly follows up on customer requirements, and our professional team of engineers provide excellent solutions. Kaweei has the perfect ERP system, and through the ISO 9001 and UL certification, we are applying TS 169492. The company has more than 3,000 different connectors and 8,000 different harnesses. Our workshop has advanced production equipment, including high-speed stamping machine, high-speed injection molding machine, automatic terminal machine, vertical forming machine, automatic wire bundling machine, and automatic computer cutting machine. Manufacture of different types of wiring harness and connectors, and also provide product assembly service for customers. We have professional testing equipment, including RoHS tester, 2.5D projector, terminal cross-section analyzer, tension tester, CCD coplanetary tester, tool coplanetary tester, tool microscope, salt spray tester, and high-voltage insulator tester. All our products made strictly testing and inspection before shipping. All of our products are RoHS and REACH compliant. During the years of business practice, customers' satisfaction is our top priority. Our task is to provide excellent products and good services to all customers.